Tired of copying emojis from websites? Press Windows key plus period and pick one instantly. No more tab switching. No more alt-tabbing away from your document. No more hunting through random online lists or stealing smiley faces from your text messages. Right now, inside Microsoft Word, there is a built-in emoji picker that is absolutely screaming to save you time. And honestly, most people just never think to try it. In this quick tutorial, I will show you the built-in emoji picker in Word. 2 steps. Open it, then choose your emoji. That is literally everything you need to know, but we are going to walk through it together so you can see exactly how it looks on screen and never second-guess yourself again. So first things first, you need to get that emoji picker to show up. Now here is the secret that Microsoft has been hiding in plain sight for years. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the period key at the exact same time. That is the key with the little flag on it. Usually it is between Control and Alt on the bottom left. And then just tap the period key. Not the comma, not the slash, the period, the dot. When you do that, a little window pops right up on your screen. It floats on top of your Word document, right near where your cursor is blinking. And this is the really important part. This is not a Word-only trick. This little window works everywhere in Windows. You could be in your email, you could be in a web browser, you could be in a chat app. Anytime you need an emoji, you just hit those 2 keys. It is a hidden superpower that your computer has had the whole time. Now that the emoji picker is open, let us choose something. When that window appears, you will see a whole grid of faces and objects and symbols. The top section usually shows your most recently used ones. So if you just used a smiley face 5 minutes ago in another email, it will be sitting right there waiting for you. That is a nice little time saver. But if you are looking for something specific, you can click through the categories at the top. There is a little smiley face tab for emotions. There is a hand tab for gestures. There is a heart tab for, well, hearts. And there is a little symbol tab for things like arrows and check marks. You can also just type what you are looking for. Go ahead and start typing right on your keyboard. Type the word pizza and watch the emoji picker filter down to show you only pizza-related options. It is that fast. When you find the one you want, just click on it with your mouse. Or, and this is a pro tip, you can use your arrow keys to scroll through the grid and hit enter when you land on the winner. Either way, the emoji instantly appears in your Word document right where your cursor was sitting. No copy-paste, no dragging, no waiting. And here is one more thing that most people do not realize. If you want to stick with a classic yellow smiley face, you can just stay in the Faces tab and pick one. But if you want to get fancy, you can click on the little person icon at the top and actually change the skin tone. It remembers your preference too. So the next time you open the picker, it defaults to whichever skin tone you chose last. That is a small detail, but it shows how much thought Microsoft actually put into this thing. So now that you know the trick, you never have to waste time searching the web for a simple smiley again. Just remember those 2 keys. Windows key plus period. That is the whole secret. Give it a try right now while I am talking. Open up a new Word document. Hit that shortcut and stick a rocket ship or a thumbs up in there. You will see how natural it feels after just 1 or 2 times. Thanks for sticking with me. If this helped you out, drop a comment and let me know your favorite emoji to use. I will see you in the next one.